In this video, I'm giving you a very simple technique to overcome anger, anxiety, fear, and stress quickly within just 5 to 10 minutes. Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are. Hey, hello, awesome tribe. This is Awesome Eze, your mentor, guide, and coach in your personal transformation. And I'm so thankful to all of you for all your love and support and the way you are watching our videos and implementing all the tools, techniques, and processes in your life and sharing your experiences in the comment section. I'm immensely grateful to all of you for all your love. Now, recently, so many of you are keep asking me like, AJ, give us something to handle stress and anxiety and fear. And of course, we know that in today's society, today's fast life, so many of you keep getting stress and anxiety from different reasons, maybe because of something is not going right in your life, or because of the work pressure or family pressure or some social pressure or something. So things are going over your head and you could not able to handle it, and that's where stress and anxiety comes in. And all of us are aware about, if our head is full of stress and anxiety, then slowly the stress and anxiety transmit to the body, and then many psychosomatic disease or different health issues started arising in your body. In fact, most of the lifestyle diseases are being created, or their genesis is always in the stress and anxiety. So today I am sharing with you a very quick technique. It's popularly known as a Japanese technique, but it's a similar process are there in yoga and different ancient culture or different healing modalities. These processes are there. So this is a very powerful and simple process. The idea is that if you understand the human physiology, most of the veins, they end up in our palms and in the feet. So usually almost all organ has a deeper connection with different part of our palms, and they have physical connection, they have emotional connection, they have all kind of mental connections. So when especially you get stressful or you started having anxiety or stress, and when your emotional state disturbed, that's why you started having sweating or different feelings in your palm, and you started trembling and all. So same way, if you change the physiology, the emotional state will also change if you stimulate in a different way. So in this simple process, what they do is basically, it is the concept is all our finger are connected to certain emotions, and in this case it is related to certain negative emotions like fear, stress, anxiety, sadness, and self-esteem, low self-esteem, or lack of self-love or self-respect. So basically, when you start having stress and anxiety, there are something, either you are angry or very stressful, or you become very insecure, or you started feeling sad and lonely, or you feel that your self-respect is being ruined by other people, or something is going wrong. So whenever you go through those negative emotions started getting generated in one of the fingers, and you are not aware about it because it's happened at an energy level or a subtle level. But if you can do something with these fingers, you can able to change that emotional state, stimulate that mental energy, and send some signal to your neural system that happy hormones started getting created, and you started having happy hormones inside your brain, and your anxiety and stress will calm down and you feel happy. So what you have to do in this process? So whenever you are feeling anxiety and stressful, this is a very effective process and it works immediately. So what you have to do, now you know that there are different emotions connected to your fingers. So you just sit comfortably, or even if you are walking or traveling, still you can do it. You just hold your thumb in your other palm for 1 minute and just hold it. You can push a little tightly or just hold it comfortably, but it should not be very loose, because why? When you hold it, you basically transmit a positive energy. It started getting a little warm, and energy started flowing from your other hand. So you hold it for 1 minute, your thumb, then you go to your index finger, then you hold it for 1 minute. Same way, you shift one by one finger and you hold it for 1 minute. So like this. And then once you are done with the 5 finger, then you press the center of your palm for 1 more minute. And like this you can do for both the palm. So sometimes in some studies they say just doing with the right palm is enough, but I have seen in my experience that if you do both the palm, it actually create lot more energy and it actually soothe you down. So this is a very powerful process. Just you have to spend 1 minute or little less or little more than 1 minute. So if you say total, it's like within 10 to 12 minutes you will see drastic change. And this is a very quick and powerful process, especially people who are going through a lot of stress and anxiety, especially people who are in your late 30s, 40s, 50s, because you have been going through a lot of stress for a long time. So sometimes things get seems like things are going out of your hand and you find it difficult to handle. Do it, especially for students or young people going for an exam, going for an interview, going for some particular meeting which has a lot of stake and it's keeping you stressful or giving you anxiety. Those of you who are not getting sleep at night because of some anxious thought or some anxiety or stress, you can do that lying down in your bed. So I want all of you to do it. Now, this is not a very new technique and some of you must be aware about it, but because so many of you have been keep asking, so I, as your mentor and guide, I wanted to give all of you so many easy techniques and processes so that your life will start getting better and better and better and you could able to handle all kind of situations. So this is a very simple technique and I want all of you to start doing it. And even right now you can pause this video and you try it. Even if you can just hold each fingers for half a minute, you will see the energy shifting within just 5 to 6 minutes. But do it for 1 minute, give yourself 10 to 12 minutes and see, and share in the comment section. This is one technique. And if you are looking for something to handle your stress and anxiety and this has really give you hope and you are going to implement it, do let me know in the comment section. And there is another technique that I have shared a long time back in one of our earlier video, and so many of you have been following. If those of you are not aware about it, you can check that video. That was like 5 4 3 2 1 reverse technique. In that, what you will do, you just, when you are stressful or full of anxiety, you just hold yourself and you take deep breathing and started counting. You take deep breathing and start counting the numbers backward, 5 4 3 2 1. So even you can do both the process together if you have lot of anxiety. So first do the reverse counting with deep breathing and then hold each fingers, or while holding fingers you keep counting the numbers in reverse order, and then you do it and you will see your anxiety, stress will calm down and you have so much of positivity, so much of peaceful energy flowing in your body, so much of calmness and so much of positive energy will flow inside your mind, body and soul, and you could able to handle all kind of situation and you have an amazing day. So thank you Awesome Tribe. If this video has inspired you, or if you feel this video is really adding value, like it. If you are new here, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon, and keep following these tools, techniques, and keep making your life awesome. Thank you.